Have you ever stopped to consider just how deeply math is woven into the very fabric of our existence? It's more than just numbers and formulas confined to textbooks. It's a fundamental language that describes the universe around us. From your smartphone, a device brimming with complex algorithms and calculations that allow you to connect with the world, to the stars, vast distances and celestial mechanics governed by mathematical principles, math is the underlying language connecting it all, providing a framework for understanding everything from the smallest atom to the largest galaxy. It's not just for geniuses or academics tucked away in ivory towers. Math is for everyone, regardless of background or perceived ability. It's a tool that empowers us to make sense of the world. Maybe you've struggled with math before, felt intimidated by complex equations, or questioned its relevance in your life. That's perfectly normal. Learning, especially when it comes to something as abstract as mathematics, is a journey. A step-by-step process of building understanding. And just like any muscle, your brain gets stronger with practice, with consistent effort and a willingness to embrace the challenge. Math isn't just about solving equations or memorizing formulas, it's so much more than that. It's a way of thinking, a structured approach to problem solving, and a powerful tool for understanding the world around you in a deeper, more meaningful way. You use math every single day, often without even realizing it. Calculating time, planning your schedule, and managing your day, splitting bills with friends, figuring out discounts at the store, following recipes in the kitchen, adjusting measurements to feed a crowd, or even playing video games, where complex algorithms govern everything from character movement to game physics. Math gives you a superpower, a unique lens through which to view the world. The ability to see patterns, identify relationships, and solve problems everywhere you look, from the natural world to the built environment. In this series, we'll break down big ideas from across the mathematical spectrum, starting with algebra, the foundation of mathematical reasoning, geometry, the study of shapes, space and their relationships, probability, the science of chance and uncertainty, and even calculus, the mathematics of change and motion. We'll use real-life examples, relatable scenarios, and simple language, avoiding jargon and complex terminology, to make these concepts click, to illuminate the underlying logic, and to foster a genuine understanding. My goal isn't just to help you pass a test or ace an exam, that's merely a byproduct of true understanding. It's to spark your curiosity, to ignite a passion for learning, and to reveal the beauty and elegance of mathematics. It's to empower you with the confidence to tackle any mathematical challenge and show you what you're truly capable of achieving. So, let's embark on this exciting journey together. Explore how math connects everything, and discover how you can master it, unlocking your full potential along the way. Algebra. The very word can sometimes conjure images of daunting equations and mysterious symbols. It's understandable if you feel a bit intimidated at first glance. Many students find themselves staring at a blackboard filled with X's, Y's, and seemingly endless formulas, wondering where to even begin. But believe it or not, it's really just a way to find the unknown. Algebra provides a powerful set of tools for unraveling mysteries hidden within numbers and relationships. It's about uncovering the missing pieces of a puzzle. Think of it as detective work, solving puzzles with clues. Each equation is a crime scene, and the variables are the suspects. Your job is to use the evidence, the mathematical operations to identify the culprit, the value of the unknown. When you see X or Y or any other letter for that matter, remember, they're just placeholders for numbers you don't know yet. They're stand-ins waiting to be discovered. Don't let them scare you. Embrace them as opportunities for exploration. The key is balance, the golden rule of algebra. Whatever you do to one side of an equation, whether it's adding, subtracting, multiplying, or dividing, you do to the other. Imagine a seesaw. If you add weight to one side, you must add the same weight to the other to keep it level. Let's look at some real-world examples. Splitting a $24 pizza bill among 4 friends. This is algebra in action. You're essentially solving the equation 4x equals sine 24, where x represents the amount each person owes. Divide both sides by 4, and x equals sine 6. This isolates the variable and reveals its value. Each person pays $6. Algebra just helped you fairly divide the bill. Here's another one. Saving for a $70 video game. And you already have $10 saved, and you earn $5 each week. You can set up the equation 5w plus 10 equals sine 70, where w represents the number of weeks it will take to save enough money. First, subtract 10 from both sides to isolate the term with w, then divide both sides by 5 to solve for w, and you find that ww equals sine 12 weeks. Algebra tells you exactly how long you need to save. Algebra helps you plan, budget, and make informed decisions in countless situations. It's a tool for understanding the world around you, so don't be intimidated by variables. They are your friends, not your enemies. See them as puzzles to solve, challenges to overcome, and opportunities to sharpen your mind. Use inverse operations. Remember to add when you see subtraction, subtract when you see addition, multiply when you see division, and divide when you see multiplication, always keeping the equation balanced. This ensures that you're maintaining the integrity of the equation and moving closer to the correct solution. This simple principle unlocks almost all of algebra. Master this, and you'll be well on your way to algebraic success. With practice, you'll break down complex problems into manageable steps, making even the most challenging equations feel less daunting. Algebra isn't just math. It's not confined to textbooks and classrooms. It's a way to think logically and solve real-life challenges, from managing your finances to planning a road trip. So let's keep building your problem-solving toolkit, one equation at a time. You've got this. Geometry is the math of shapes, space, and design. It's the art of math. You see it everywhere, in honeycombs, buildings, wheels, and screens. Geometry helps you measure, build, and navigate the world. Want to paint your room? Calculate the area of the walls. Geometry saves you time and money. Angles and lines are everywhere, from maps to hanging a picture straight. Concepts like parallel and perpendicular lines are part of daily life. The Pythagorean theorem, a2 plus b2 equals sine c2, helps carpenters, architects, and even game designers. Geometry reveals the hidden structure of our world. It's not just about memorizing formulas, it's about seeing the blueprint of reality. With geometry, you gain tools to understand and shape your environment. Life is full of uncertainty, a constant stream of unknowns that shape our experiences. We often find ourselves pondering what might happen next, grappling with the unpredictable nature of events. Will it rain and disrupt your plans? Will your team defy the odds and win the championship? These are the questions that linger in our minds, highlighting the inherent uncertainty that surrounds us. Will you be lucky enough to snag those coveted concert tickets before they sell out? The anticipation and the element of chance add to the excitement, but also the potential for disappointment. Probability is how we measure and manage chance, providing a framework for understanding and quantifying uncertainty. It's the tool we use to navigate the sea of possibilities. It's a number between 0, representing an event that is absolutely impossible, and 1, signifying an event that is guaranteed to occur. Consider flipping a coin. The probability of landing on heads is 0.5, one favorable outcome, heads, out of 2 possible outcomes, heads or tails. This simple example illustrates the core concept of probability. Weather forecasts, which predict the likelihood of rain or sunshine, medical studies, assessing the effectiveness of treatments, and games of chance, all use probability to make sense of uncertainty and inform decisions. It's not about predicting the future perfectly with a crystal ball, but about making smarter, more informed decisions based on the available information. Probability helps you weigh risks and rewards, allowing you to assess the potential consequences of your choices. Whether you're investing your money in the stock market, choosing a career path, or simply playing a game with friends, understanding odds gives you a strategic edge, allowing you to make calculated moves and anticipate potential outcomes. More importantly, it teaches you to think critically about risk, fostering a more rational and analytical approach to decision-making. Life isn't about avoiding risk altogether, as that would lead to stagnation and missed opportunities. It's about making choices with the best chances of success, carefully weighing the potential benefits against the possible drawbacks. Probability is a fundamental life skill, empowering you to make informed decisions and navigate the uncertainties of the world with greater confidence. Calculus sounds intimidating, but it's just the math of change. It answers, how fast is something changing? How much has something accumulated? The derivative measures instant change, like your speed at a specific moment. The integral adds up change over time, like filling a pool with a hose that changes flow. Calculus is everywhere in physics, engineering, animation, and economics. It helps us model motion, growth, and dynamic systems. You don't need to master every detail now, just know calculus powers much of modern science and technology. It's a language for understanding a world in motion. Calculus lets us describe and predict the ever-changing universe. Knowing math concepts is one thing, solving problems is another. Here's a 4-step toolkit. Understand, plan, execute, and check. First, read the problem carefully. Identify what's being asked and the key information. Next, make a plan. What do you know? What do you need? What math tools fit? Visualize. Draw a diagram or sketch to clarify the problem. Execute your plan step by step, writing clearly. If you get stuck, revisit your plan or try a simpler version. After solving, check your answer. Does it make sense? Double-check calculations in context. This process isn't just for math, it's a framework for tackling any challenge. With practice, you'll approach problems with confidence and creativity. Problem solving is a skill you'll use for life. Math isn't just for school, it's your everyday superpower. Quantitative reasoning helps you make sense of the world and make better decisions. Managing money? That's math. Calculating interest, discounts, and tips. Math skills help you see through misleading statistics and data in the news. You'll ask smarter questions and spot hidden patterns. Logical thinking from math is vital in programming, medicine, law, and more. Every time you solve a math problem, you're building skills for any career. Math teaches you how to think, not just what to think. It empowers you to analyze and reason and solve problems everywhere. Your math superpower is for life. Want to get better at math? Practice consistently. Little and often beats cramming. Focus on understanding why, not just memorizing how. When you know the logic behind a formula, you'll remember and use it better. Mistakes are part of learning. Everyone makes them, even experts. Don't get frustrated. Analyze your errors and learn from them. Connect math to your interests. Games, music, sports. Math is everywhere. Ask for help when you need it. Learning is a team effort. Celebrate your progress no matter how small. Every problem you solve is a step forward. Stay curious and keep challenging yourself. Math is a marathon, not a sprint. Embrace the journey and enjoy your growth. You're building skills that last a lifetime. As we wrap up, remember, your math journey is just beginning. Algebra, geometry, probability, calculus, they're all connected tools for understanding the world. Math builds critical thinking, creativity, and resilience. These skills empower you in any path. Artist, entrepreneur, doctor, or tradesperson. Struggling is normal. It's where real learning happens. Approach math with curiosity and a growth mindset. Don't be afraid to say, I don't understand this yet. See math as an adventure, not a barrier. The world needs thinkers and problem solvers. Math prepares you for that. Embrace the challenge, celebrate your progress, and know you're capable. Your journey starts now. Go explore.